G'day folks, a little commercial condensing unit I picked up today. It's another junk pile find. I'm not going to actually use this as an air compressor or gas compressor. It's been left open to the weather for too long outside, so there's probably more water than oil in the compressor. Somebody ripped the evaporator off out of the display case before it was chucked outside, so probably trashed the compressor. It's an Italian made thing, not sure what horsepower. Nice little start cap job there though. The victim of a local run cap bandit, I suppose. Two little fans. I'm just going to modify and resolder 1/2" tubes onto these fittings here and turn it into a fan cooled water heat exchanger, or maybe oil filled heat exchanger. Use it for some serious cooling on microwave transformers or maybe my electrolysis system. Should work quite well. Well, even though there's a bit of water in the compressor, it still likes to run. I'll have to hook some pressure gauges up to it and see what I can get out of it. I won't keep the compressor hooked up to the condenser, but I might just keep the compressor and change the oils. That's a good example of what happens when you don't clean your condensing coils either. That's nasty. I'll get my vacuum gauge out too. It's a decent fan. Pretty reasonable vacuum on this still. I probably don't have the best feel on here, but should work. Almost 30. Yeah, that's about it. Well, with a bit of luck, that non-caustic cleaner should get this thing cleaned up. I know it's probably not recommended in the manual, but so far I haven't seen any negative problems with using non-caustic oven cleaner. It sort of starts out with cleaning the coil and then you have to do everywhere else afterwards. It's like a winter wonderland.